Sabi nyo nga, at Little Fuse, we encourage associates to reach beyond their current capabilities and work in a team environment. So yung mga sa linya nyo, there will always be conflicts, ideas, personalities, character. Marami kayo, meron talaga magkaka-conflict dyan. So it's how you will reconcile those differences and work as a team. So you have to deal, or you have to consider the problems or the challenges as opportunities for you to go beyond your capabilities. Kasi discovery yun eh. Basta malalaman nyo, oy, kaya ko pala yun. And then that's where the teamwork comes in. You have to work together. Although iba-iba kayong division, but still, as one company, you have to work together because yun yung pinaka-formula. It's teamwork and unity. As we have proven and have shown to the whole world that there's no impossible thing, especially us for Filipinos, na walang imposible sa atin kung magkaisa lang tayo. So with that, good luck and thank you for having us here. Salamat po.
Would like now to call on Karina to share with us what she has in mind. Okay, Karina.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong. Ako po si Karina Dayundon from Bukidnon. Medyo na pinakabahan tuloy ako kasi masyado kayong seryoso eh. Yun nga, for us naman, being the women in the team, and then, alam mo mga dalagang Pilipina, mainhin, di ba? So, parang hindi expected na maka-climbing Everest. But, with this team, binigyang chance ang kakayahan ng mga kababaihan after the guys last year na kung may kakayahan ng mga guys, agree po kayo doon na may kakayahan din ng mga Pinay? Yes. Parang hindi yata agree ang mga guys na mating tayo mga Pinay. Pero po, pinakita ng mga guys na kaya nang umakyat ng Everest. Set up going to Everest is totally different. The height of the mountain, the environment, ang sobrang lamig doon, grabe. And then the food na kakainin namin, and then the people na i-handle or kasamahin namin doon sa bundok, iba din. So, as a team, may nauna sa amin last year, parang ano sila yun, Pastor, was like, nag-trailblaze sila para sa mga girls naman. So that they can give us the inputs kung anong natutunan nila doon sa pag-akyat ng Mount Everest na at least ma-lesser na yung danger na maano ng mga babae. Ganyan ba talaga trabaho ng mga lalaki? Taga-latag or taga-ano sa mga babae? For us naman, para sa climb namin ngayon na mas well-prepared kami and mas maiwasan namin yung mga sakuna sa pag-climb namin ngayon. So, with that, we've gone to a lot of trainings. And one of the trainings na gusto kong i-share sa inyo, since madami na kaming nadaanan ng training, so one of the crucial training din namin is sa Mount McKinley in Alaska. So after nung pumunta kaming base camp with the team last year. So umalis naman agad kami, bumalik kaming Pilipinas to prepare the logistic for the Mount McKinley na last climb. So it would be another preparation for us na expose kami sa sobrang coldest mountain in the world. So kami mga tatlong babae pumunta kami last year and we were supposed to be there 18 days sa bundok. Then suddenly, unexpectedly, bigla kaming nag-exceed sa time frame namin. Kasi sa approach namin sa pag-climb sa Mount McKinley, we're very conservative. Since ayaw namin madisgrasya or gusto pa namin mag-climb sa Everest. So, we have a lot of attempts sa summit. na usually sa ibang expedition, ano lang siya, parang twice attempt lang or thrice attempt, back out na sila. Pero kami mga Pilipino, times 2 pa among, ay times